just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
Clock is ticking. Time for the weekend. Work is coming to an end. I got my eyes wide open.
Oh hey, you just caught me in a good time. I'm caviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be installing this wig. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. This wig, first of all, I'm going to be doing this a lot, okay? I'm going to be talking with my head a lot because it's so bouncy.
If I could slow down the clock.
Today's hair sponsor is a new sponsor to my channel, so let's give a warm welcome to Alibonniehair. This is actually a new sponsor. They have not featured on my channel before, but there's a first time for everything. And guys, I am impressed. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch. Believe me, the length is there. It's in its stretch length, okay? Stretch length, 24-inch, 5x5 glueless, 250% density, bouncy curly wig.
When I'm with you, I just feel so good. I can replay every single night. So for now, let's just take our time. Now that I've got you by my side, tell me, are you ready for the ride? You know we're gonna make it last all night. So let's just take our time.
There is just something about you that I need to know. Look across the room right at you. Come get to know me better.
We are going to be doing a fresh out of the box install with this Alibonniehair. It came so beautifully curled like this. This is what the knots are giving on its own. Very small, very tiny, but what I am going to do is scratch on lace tint. So I'm gonna go in with this ebon lace tint. If you don't have lace tint, you can make it at home. All you need is a 1-to-1 ratio of foundation and some rubbing alcohol. See the difference? That's what we want to see.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my.
I'm gonna go in and cut off some of that extra lace right there because it's just too much. And because it's not as flat and flush right here, I think I am gonna secure her down with some spray. Okay, because we want her to live her best life. Let's go ahead and put some lace spray. So I'm gonna use this ebon lace spray.
I wait, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up. We finna go deep. Is you?
We don't want to give too much forehead, but we also want the wig to look natural. So I'm just spraying some of that spray down on my table, and then I'm going in and melting her. You can let it dry, but if you use a blow dryer, it just saves so much time and it gives a cleaner look. So I'm gonna go in on top.
Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get.
This is a really cute melting band. I haven't seen one in this bright purple color. I like it. I like it. So again, anywhere that I might have missed, I'm gonna go back in with some more spray.
Home if you let me put it down. When I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibe.
We're gonna use the same spray.
All good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Yeah, you can work with that. Okay, I'm gonna listen to some music in the background while I finish this side off so I could jam, okay? Because I want to live my best life. I want to have a little fun. You guys hear me talk all the time, so let me just listen to some music and vibe out for a little bit. When you hear me talking, that's when I'll be back.
show ya. Wish me to call you when you're turning me on. The way you telling me you wanted me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling be sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love money. She break hearts real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real, thinking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from.
I'm gonna go in with some Bio Silk. I like to detangle curls with this product. So let's just try and give it a go. I'm using about that much.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how.
This curl pattern is very beautiful. Fresh out of the box, you can put her on and wear her. You don't need to bleach the knots like I didn't do today. I just put her on, put some powder, spray some lace tint on the lace, and we are here. And I like that. And I wanted to keep the curls that it came with, so I didn't bleach the knots or style her or anything like that. I just kind of put her on. Because when you wash these wigs, they do tend to change. The curl pattern does not dry like this again. I'm sorry to tell you, but it just won't. It'll look good like this the one time, and if you can curl it back the next time, then you're fine. It's going to dry like a more natural wavy texture. So knowing that, of course, I wanted to maintain the curls and the bounce of this wig, so we left her alone, and for good reason, because she's absolutely gorgeous. The company went through all the hard work to style her like this, so who am I to interrupt and who am I to change that? The density 250%, she's very full. She is definitely stretched length 24. I would say it's going to be about 30 to 40% longer when you wash her. So just keep that in mind. It looks a little short now, but it's not going to be like that after you wash her out. You don't have to do anything to the knots. If you look really close, they are really tiny. If you're not familiar with bleaching knots or you're not comfortable with bleaching knots, this is a great option for you. And the hair does feel really soft for a curled style. No bad smell to it at all. Like, it smells good. Love that. I hate stinky hair, and the fact that I can wear it fresh out of the box and it's not stinky, win-win. Definitely recommend you guys checking them out. This wig is fire. I see why it's gone TikTok famous, because look at her. Okay. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I'm gonna link it in the description box for you. It gets a 10 out of 10 for me. It's just so cute. I am living my best curly hair life. I might get a migraine after all of this head bouncing, but it's all good. It was worth it. Bye, guys.